Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to play Fortnite split screen on Xbox. It's very easy, watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open the game and navigate to its main menu. Make sure that you have two controllers connected to the Xbox. In the main menu, you will see the character of first player. Now hold the second controller and press the Xbox button. A menu will appear. Navigate to the profile section from the top. In the profile section, scroll down to add or switch option and select your profile. Then a list will appear of all the profiles you have linked to the Xbox console. Select the second profile you want to add in the game. Then that second profile will sign in. After that, on the bottom of the main screen, an instruction will prompt. Hold Y to log in. So hold Y with your second controller, then again you have to sign in the profile of the second character from the profile section. After that, the second character will also log in and you will see both characters on the screen. Now hold Y on your first controller to take control. The next step is to choose a game type. After selecting it, start the game by pressing Y. Then the game will begin with split screen mode enabled. And this is how you can play Fortnite split screen on Xbox.